Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to buy Amazon gift card with Google Play Balance. So I was sitting there staring at my Google Play Balance, thinking, can I somehow turn this into an Amazon gift card? Short answer, no, at least not directly. Google Play credits are pretty locked into their ecosystem, so you can only use them for apps, games, subscriptions, or in-app purchases. No magical convert to Amazon button hiding anywhere, unfortunately. Now, I did look into a few workarounds, and this is where things get creative. Some people use their balance to buy digital items like in game stuff and then resell those for cash. Sounds clever, but honestly, it can get risky fast if you're not careful. Another route I've seen is using reward or survey apps that offer Amazon gift cards, but those usually depend on your region and take time. What I personally find safer is using your Google Play balance to cover subscriptions you already pay for, then using your saved cash to buy the gift card normally. Not flashy, but way less stressful. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.